Hello and welcome. So go ahead and start getting settled into your space of practice. Give yourself a little stretch, maybe set up some mise en place if you need a tissue or a glass of water. Go ahead and just give a little fidget. Give yourself a little moment to kind of squirm and settle in, settle down, settle up. Hi Sarah, welcome. This weekend, I had the great, it was quite a privilege to bring someone through their first breathing sequence, intentional, conscious breathing moment. And she came with a lot of questions, but they weren't questions for me, they were just questions, and they were observations, and it was wonderful to hear this person vocalize and articulate her questions. And as I was listening and watching her breathe, and then breathing with her, and then quietly watching her breathe again, I was reminded of the truth that sits here with all of us, right here in my space, and you, in yours. And that is, no matter who you are, the details do not apply. They don't matter. When you are called, when you hear a call to pay attention to your breath, you are being called to an intuition and a level of wisdom that is ready for you to receive. And I just really would like that just to go directly to the center this Monday morning, that be where we sit together, that we protocol and approach and CO2 and oxygen and mechanics and all of it important. They are the instruments of the orchestra. But the music that is made is from the deepest part of who you are and who you've come through. Back to your ancestry and to my ancestry. Go ahead and take a breath with that. And as I was listening to this student and watching her, and in my own way in that moment, articulating what I've just articulated to you without scaring her away, I could see the answers land in her eyes. So we're going to start with remembering that we are the original drum. So go ahead and take one hand to your sternum. We're just going to keep a gentle beat here. And I can hear my hand on my bone. And I want you to see if you can hear yours. And just hear that drum beat inside of you. And this will be part of our warm-up. So for now, it's just one hand. It's in, 2, 3, 4. It's out. 2. On the beat. It's in. It's out. Nose, mouth, whatever you need right now. It's in. It's out. One more like this. In. Hear that vibration? It's out. Now we're going to increase the drum beat with 2 hands. It's in. It's out. Expand. 2, 3, 4. Come back. It's in. So really try to attune your senses. There's more than one thing going on here. Exhale. You've got touch, you've got sound, you've got breath in, 2, 3, 4, it's out. Flat hands. It's out. Start to feel your rhythm. You're an instrument and the musician. Plus it's a call, it's an ancient call to self. Bring it in. Exhale. It's in. Exhale. Back to one, a little softer. In. Out. Just nose now. Breathe in. But listen. And out. In. Out. And in. 2, 3. Hear your drum. And out. Now we're going to add on a little bit so we can really hear the vibration. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Breathe it out. No count. Exhale. 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 One more time through the mouth. In. Hold, but listen. Breathe it out. Get quieter on the drum. No breathing, no breathing just here. Just pause till it gets quiet. Till it gets quiet. Till it gets quiet. Pause your hand. Quiet, light, soft breath. And just suspend yourself here for a moment. Start to take your hands and kind of flutter along your neck here and your collarbones. Like you're playing the piano. Just along your clavicle line, up into your hairline, your jawline, your eyebrows. A little contact, self-contact here. And then start to strum down on your neck. And listen. It's not just the feeling. I really want you to listen to the sound your skin makes on your bones and tissues. You hear that skin? Good. Gently pause. Interlace your hands behind your own neck. Hold your head. Take a breath in and let these ribs open right here. Breathe in. Ribs expand. Hold your head. Hold the pressure of your inhale. Feel that pressure build here for 10. Pressure. 3, 2, 1. Deflate. Keep holding your neck. Let everything drop. Soften and slouch. You might even kind of hang on your own neck for a moment. One more time. Inhale. Expand. Front, side, side, and back. Full pressure. You can handle pressure. Hold the pressure. 15. Shoulders soft. Body holding. Drum expanding. Self-expansion. 3, 2, 1. Exhale through the nose. Let the ribs drop. Let the belly and the abdominal wall come back. Feel the intra-abdominal pressure created on your exhale. You're holding here 6 seconds. Good. 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. Exhale out. Hear the sound. 3 in, 3 out. Feel the circle. All of this is vibration. It's instrumentation. Lung tissue and air hitting each other, making contact. Last 3, 2, 1. Bring it into a 2 count. Circular breathing. It's 5. It's 4. It's 3. It's 1. It's full. Hold. Soft, easy facial expression. Half smile, easy eyes, full pressure in the lungs. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, as you exhale, you're going to beat the drum again. Here we go. All the way down to the bottom of your exhale. Pause. Hold. Pull your sternum down. Pull your belly button in. "20 seconds. No stress. Soften any drama that's building. Relax into the hold. We have 10 more seconds. You're likely going to hear a knock soon. Gently breathe back in. Exhale all the way. Feel your spine grow a little taller. Feel your mind getting a little looser. Keep breathing in and out pretty steady here. Listen for the sound of your spine. You've just created a steady rhythm in many different ways that bring your attention to what is happening. You've made contact. You've made a sound. It's been steady. It's a drum. Bring your fist to your sternum, maybe a little bit lower. If you have breast tissue there, maybe do a little higher. Maybe go across. Find that rhythm with me again. We're going to end here. Just beating the drum. This is not for self-importance, self-congratulations. People who are breathing are not somehow better or more enlightened than anyone else. We've just answered a call is all. Everyone's getting the call. We've just answered it. Here we go. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. And in. And out. Maybe let it feel a little tribal. In. It's where we belong. In community and in tribes. It's our way of connecting across the ether. In. And out. Take the drum beat to your lower rib cage. Breathe it in. Exhale. And in. Exhale. Little softer. Be gentle. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. Opposite hand to opposite lung. Crisscross in. Exhale. Other side. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. No one can take your drum beat away. Both hands. It's in. It's out. Getting quieter. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. Little louder. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. One more time here. 2, 3, 4. Breathe it out. 2, 3. Getting softer. Breathe it in. Out. Slow it down. Breathe it in. And out. Last time. Here. Together. Today. Really. Quiet hands. In. hands over your ears and listen. Listen to your spine. And now listen to your heart. What's it saying? A little closing breath here. Exhale, real soft and easy. Pay attention to your transition. That's really the crucial moment here, is how you transition from this into that, into this next thing. So bring your drum with you. Bring your steady beat. And when you can, answer that call and listen. Safe home. Thank you for joining the drumline today. In our power line, many blessings to you. I hope you have a beautiful, steady drum beat of a day and week. I'm glad it was fun. And that's underneath all of this, right? Play. I hope you're not bruised. Maybe a little ice pack on there now, which is also good for our nervous systems anyway. So much love. See you all soon.